Stop scrolling. What if I told you that the tiny scrap of yarn in my hand is actually a bestseller waiting to happen? Most people see a chain. You see a low cost, high margin product that fits in a padded envelope. Whether you are Etsy veteran or just opening your Shopify store, the small item market is booming. Today we aren't just looking at pretty pictures, we are diving into 50 viral crochet keychain designs that are trending right now. Plus the secret sauce to make them sell. Grab your hook because your shop is about to get a lot busier. First up, the classic. There is a reason the emotion sport bee or the chunky frog never goes out of the style. In the world of Etsy, cute equal clippables, you are making animals give them a personality. Add a tiny blush with a pink maker or give that frog a mushroom hat. These are perfect impulse buys when someone is already buying a large item from your shop. These are the perfect add to cart items to help them hit that free shipping threshold. Next, let's talk about the aesthetic. The plant parent trend is massive. Not everyone can keep a real succulent alive, but a crochet one that's forever. Notice the hanging potted plant keychain that are huge on TikTok right now because people hang them from their rear view mirrors. Market inside, use earthy tones, terracotta, sage greens, and mustard. You aren't just selling a keychain, you are selling a vibe from someone's cars or office space. Now let's get practical. Keychains that do something have a much higher perceived value. Lip balm holders, these are lifesaver for students and moms. The foodie trend, tiny slices of cake, sushi rolls, or even a mini soju bulb. Buy food